Step 1. You type a website. You type google.com. Your computer does not understand names. Computers only understand IP addresses, like we said before. So first thing your computer must do is find the IP address. This is where DNS comes in. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's like a phone book. You ask, what is the IP for google.com? But first your computer checks cache, browser cache, OS cache, router cache. If found, skip DNS. If not, DNS request. Your computer sends DNS query to DNS server, usually your router or ISP DNS. DNS replies 142.250.xx. Now your computer knows destination, but it still doesn't send yet, because it must build packets. Step 2. Packet creation. Your computer prepares data, but internet does not send one big message. Instead, data is split into packets. Each packet contains source IP, destination IP, source port, destination port, protocol, sequence number, data. This allows fast transmission, reordering, retransmission, parallel sending. Now packets are ready, but your computer must send to the default gateway, your router. Step 3. Finding router, ARP. Your computer knows router IP 192.168.1.1, but it needs MAC address, so it sends ARP broadcast, who has 192.168.1.1. All devices receive router replies. I am 192.168.1.1, MAC ABC. Now your computer knows router MAC. Packets are sent to router. Step 4. Switch forwarding. Before router packets go through a switch. Switch works with MAC addresses. Switch checks MAC table. It forwards frame to correct port. This happens extremely fast. Switch does not check IP, only MAC. Frame arrives at router. Step 5. Router processing. Router receives packets. Router reads destination IP. Destination not local. Router checks routing table. Finds next hop. Router also performs NAT, network address translation. Check out the video. Private IP 192.168.1.10 converted to public IP 81.xx. Now packets ready for internet. Router forwards packet to ISP. Step 6. ISP network. Packets enter ISP. ISP routers forward packet router to router. Each router reads destination, chooses next hop, forwards packet. This is routing. Protocols use OSPF, BGP, static routes. Packets move across networks. Step 7. Internet backbone. Packets now travel across backbone. Large fiber connections, high-speed routers, Tier 1 providers. Packets travel very fast, milliseconds, until destination network reached. Step 8. Destination network. Packets reach destination ISP, then local router, then server network. Packets arrive server, but communication not started yet. First, TCP Handshake. Step 9. TCP Handshake. Your PC sends SYN. Server replies SYN ACK. Your PC replies ACK. Connection established. Now data transfer begins. This ensures reliability, ordering, delivery. Step 10. HTTP request. Now your browser sends getIndex.html. Server receives request. Server processes, finds web page, builds response. Server sends HTML, CSS, GS images, split into packets. Packets send back, same path, internet to your ISP, to your router, to your PC. Reassembly, your PC receives packets. TCP reorders packets. Missing packets retransmitted. Data rebuilt. Browser on this page. Website appears. Why this is fast, parallel packets, fast routers, caching, CDN servers, fiber networks, everything optimized. That is why internet feels instant. Summary. You click website, DNS Lookup, packet creation, ARP, switch, router, NAT, ISP, backbone, TCP Handshake, HTTP request. If you have an idea of a topic you don't understand very well, just put it in the comments and I will make a lecture out of it and read it for you, explain it to you, so you grasp a better understanding of the subject. At least I'll try to. Server response, reassembly, that's the full journey. If you're learning networking step by step, this channel is for you. If you like this video, give a like. If you like to follow me with what I'm doing, subscribe. Next video, what happens inside a router. See you there.